In most of my videos, I demonstrate the errors within the King James Version by uncovering how it violates the grammar of the Masoretic Hebrew text in its translation, or translates a particular passage incorrectly. But in this video, I'm going to demonstrate an error within the King James Version translation, not by showing you how different it is from the Masoretic text, but by how it agrees with the Masoretic text. Even the Masoretic text includes errors, and many times the translations of that text will propagate that error. The King James Version of Leviticus 20 verse 10 reads, "The man that committeth adultery with another man's wife, even he that committeth adultery with his neighbor's wife, the adulterer and the adulteress shall surely be put to death." When we break this verse up into three parts, the first phrase is Ish asher yinafet eshet, which literally translates as the man that commits adultery with a woman of. The second phrase is Ish asher yinafet eshet. Notice it's identical, and it of course transliterates exactly the same way. The man that commits adultery with a woman of. And then we have the final phrase, Re'ehu mot yumat hanoef vehanoafet, which means his neighbor, he will die, the adulterer and the adulteress. Now what we have here is a copyist error. The copyist, or the scribe, accidentally repeated one line twice. That's why we have a duplication here. So if we remove the duplication, what we then have is the man that commits adultery with a woman of his neighbor, he will die, the adulterer and the adulteress. So if we go to the King James Version and we remove the superfluous passage, we have the man that committeth adultery with his neighbor's wife, the adulterer and the adulteress shall surely be put to death.